81,
81.
81.
passé 1,
Past tense 1.
Past tense 1.
écrire,
To write.
To write.
il écrivait une lettre.
He wrote a letter.
He wrote a letter.
Et elle écrivait une carte.
And she wrote a card.
And she wrote a card.
Lire,
To read.
To read.
il lisait un magazine.
He read a magazine.
He read a magazine.
Et elle lisait un livre.
And she read a book.
And she read a book.
Prendre,
To take.
To take.
il prenait une cigarette.
He took a cigarette.
He took a cigarette.
Elle prenait un morceau de chocolat.
She took a piece of chocolate.
She took a piece of chocolate.
Alors qu'il était infidèle, elle était fidèle.
He was disloyal, but she was loyal.
He was disloyal. But she was loyal.
Alors qu'il était paresseux, elle était diligente.
He was lazy, but she was hard-working.
He was lazy. But she was hard-working.
Alors qu'il était pauvre, elle était riche.
He was poor, but she was rich.
He was poor. But she was rich.
Il n'avait pas d'argent, mais au contraire des dettes.
He had no money, only debts.
He had no money, only debts.
Il n'avait pas de chance, mais au contraire de la malchance.
He had no luck, only bad luck.
He had no luck, only bad luck.
Il n'avait pas de succès, mais au contraire des échecs.
He had no success, only failure.
He had no success, only failure.
Il n'était pas heureux, mais au contraire malheureux.
He was not satisfied, but dissatisfied.
He was not satisfied, but dissatisfied.
Il n'était pas chanceux, mais au contraire malchanceux.
He was not happy, but sad.
He was not happy, but sad.
Il n'était pas sympathique, mais au contraire antipathique.
He was not friendly, but unfriendly.
He was not friendly, but unfriendly.